got third line. Unbelievable. Wind's like right.
Well, it hurts so bad, but it feels so good. I don't understand,
The Overland, what do you do to win?
but I'm understood.
Time to think.
I'm so confused, but I'm in control.